Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to jump on here and go through another journal that I will be listing in my Etsy store today. This one I'm just calling my Shabby Chic journal. It just really reminds me of the Shabby Chic colors, the roses, that kind of stuff. So, you know, not a very original name, but it's all I could come up with. As you will notice, this has the 4.5 inch front and back. It has a 1.5 inch spine. It does have 5 signatures in this one. Where the papers met, I did put some beautiful lace down it so that you couldn't see that seam. It does have the elastic closure with the beautiful beading on it. I've done some matching roses, and then each of the corners have the corner protectors on it. So let's get right into it. And as you can see, it's got the rivet on the back holding the elastic. So this one I was a little bit more, what would you call it? I didn't bunch it up as much, but it has a lot of beautiful elements in it. So on this front spine here, what I did is I took one of the leaves that was in this collection and I made sure that I put it on the back of some really good cardstock so that it would be nice and stiff, and then I put a brad through it, and this is my closure for this little area here. So that's how it closes. You just put that back on and then turn the leaf over and it's closed. So opening this up, you will see that we have a little right here, we have a little belly band on this page, and I will have some stuff stuck down in there. Then we have a little notebook area here, a little notebook area here. And we just close this back up. And this is a belly band as well. And so behind it, I just have a little journal area tucked down in there. Each of the envelopes, you will find this little tuck right here, and that's so that you can tuck your envelope flap down in, and the envelope flap won't bend or get in your way. So we open this up, and in here I have a little journal card. And you know, knowing me, there will be lots more stuff tucked in these envelopes before you receive it, but you know, for the sake of the video, I did put a little bit in. Okay, on the back of this first envelope, I have a pocket, and I did kind of do a little bit of a gusset on it so it's not just straight against the envelope. I did stick 2 little journal cards down in there. Then over here, we have another envelope, and in this one, I put a little journal card that'll open out. On the back of this, we have a side tuck, and then I just have a couple of things tucked over in that for now. In this envelope here, I have a couple of little journal areas. It's just some writing space for you. On the back of that, we have another, it's a belly band, but this belly band does open. And then behind that belly band, I just added a couple of little journal cards. In this envelope here, we have a journal card and then another little writing space. On the back of this one, I love how I done this. I took one of the circles from this here and I cut it, and or actually, yeah, it was from the other paper like this, but I cut that circle to make the tuck, and so it just, I love the way that looks. That is just beautiful to me. And then I have a couple of little tags stuck in that. And then back here in this one, again, it's like a little journal card and then a little card that you can write in. Okay, and then on this back envelope, I've done the same thing with the feather. So this is your closure for that. You open this up, and I didn't do anything with this. I'm going to include like some extra pieces of this paper and stuff to give you the opportunity to make all of the fun stuff like I do, where it opens out and flips up. I do have a video on how to do that on my channel, and I will be giving you some extra pieces of this scrap pad so that you can do that yourself. And then I just have a little journaling area stuck down in this. This is a belly band as well. Then over here on this back, this is a, it's like an envelope, it's a matchbook type envelope thing. And then we have just a little top tuck with the little journal spot in it. And I had to do it like that because I was, the button that's holding all of this in is underneath that. So I didn't want to put a lot in it. And then that just closes back down. But this is one of those that you could take right here. You could put a belly band on it. You could put a little pocket on it. There's so much you can do to it once you get it to where you really personalize the journal to where it is yours. So again, this is just my Shabby Chic journal. And there we go. And it will be available on my Etsy store. And I will leave the link to it down below. And I do have another journal that will be getting finished up shortly, and the video for that one will be posted tonight as well. So anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!